Alright, so today I'm going to tackle these body mount bushings. I think I'm only going to do just the subframe mounts for now. I think the radiator support I'll do later because I do want to order one because I've got a ton of rust over on there, and the mount itself is pretty much gone, so I'm going to do just the rear subframe mounts for now. I really can't hold my camera while I'm doing it. There's 4 mounts, one there, one in the rear up here, and then the other side. So first thing I gotta do is brace the car up, and then I can tackle with just loosening them up and then taking the one side out and just do them one side at a time. So scary, but will be worth it when it's done. So now with the car up on stands, I'm gonna attempt to loosen these guys up. It's loose. Look at this. My main reason for doing this. Alright. Hopefully I don't spin a cage nut. Alright, so I had to move around to the other side because the closest one to the firewall actually spun, so I'm gonna have to end up taking the inner fender off to try to get that out. But I did get this side off, and that's the condition of them. Wow. So yeah, these didn't give me a problem at all, so just had to brace up the car with a block of wood on the actual body, and it lifts it up enough to where you can pull them off the frame. And you can see it, just all the dust that came out of it. This is about 40 years too late. Goodness. So, alright. One thing I want to point out, these are actually specific of how you mount them up there. You'll see this is like a male end, and that goes up on top, and then the female end. Oh goodness, I knew I couldn't hold this and do this. Goes down at the bottom here, and then you put your nut through it. And it's the same with the other mount also. The radiator support mounts are a little bit different. Alright. So this is what my car was riding on the passenger side. This is the front mount. And this is the rear one. And look at all that rubber. Wow. This is nuts. I'm surprised my car didn't go all over the place. So, I've got the one side done, and about ready to start with this side. And just like that, they're all done. Just the drop alone is just amazing. It's just there's a gap now. So, have to put her back on the ground, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Focus there. Alright. Yeah, it seems to be tracking a lot better going down a road with speed bumps. So just, it does feel a lot better than it did before. I was getting a lot of vibration in the car here. It also creaked a lot more. It doesn't seem to be doing that now, especially over the speed bumps. I did find that my front fender was misaligned majorly. So when I did the mounts, I had to realign that. But I guess it's just one of the things you have to do. So right now I'm pleased with it. I can't wait to get it up on the highway to see what it's like. Here it is sitting on the ground, and I know I put 235s in the front and 255s in the rear, but I'd be almost willing to bet that I could fit a 255 underneath there now. It definitely looks raised. That tire looks small. I didn't run into any problems. It took me about a good half hour to do, so I just got to take it for a test drive, and I'm sure it'll be fine. I have to get alignment anyway. So, alright, hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe and like and all that fun good stuff. And I'll keep on posting videos as much as I can. Later.